Wanna know how to use do while loops in Java? So, uh, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use do while loops. So, in this video, I'm just going to explain you how the code works. So, right here you can see the code. A small level line code you can just simply copy up and modify this code as you want. So first things first, here we have this code. In this example, the loop prints numbers from 1 to 5. The important part is the code inside the do block runs first. So on the do while loop, we know that the code under do, which is inside this bracket, that is system out println, and with number adding up to 1 runs first. And once that is on, it checks the condition. This makes it useful when you want your code to execute at least once no matter what. And once that is on, it checks the condition, and that's it. Super simple and easy, and it just simply loops it around it until the condition is met. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.